just a little warning. So I purchased, this is the Flume 2. I also have the Flume 1. The Flume 1 lasted, I think it was about a year or two. It's in my review that I wrote. And so anyways, this is a Flume 2. I just purchased new batteries, which basically are Energizer batteries that they make this little, I don't know, concoction, so that way they can sell you 4 AA batteries for $22 instead of just making this area here where you could put 4 batteries into. They make this so that way you have to spend a lot more money on batteries. So besides the point, I ordered these batteries about 2 months ago. This is pretty much a brand new device. There's no damage. When these batteries went out after 2 months, Flume asked me to send photos of the inside of the device. And then they responded saying that this device has clear damage, which if you look, it's all brand new. I don't know what they're talking about. Like, I've only opened this device once or twice, because when I first purchased it, to put the batteries in and put it into the ground, or onto the water meter, and then a second time when I just got these batteries 2 months ago, I opened it again, put them inside, put these little packets that they put, I guess it's for water, and that's it. So in my opinion, this still looks brand new. And so when I emailed support about the batteries only lasting 2 months, once I sent them photos of this, they said they recommend I buy the Flume 2, which is what this is, the Flume 2, because supposedly this has a better design with the outside elements. And so anyway, so yeah, this is my second Flume. The first Flume, I looked back at my emails and the same thing happened. Once the batteries died on it, I was going to buy batteries, and they upsold me to the Flume 2. So I did that for 99 bucks. And now they're trying to upsell me to buy the same exact one, because the batteries I just bought from them for $21 or $22, whatever it was, lasted only 2 months. And now they're trying to get me to buy another Flume 2. So be careful with this company. Very shady. Not happy at all. I've had them. The first purchase was in 2020. So I've been working with this Flume product since 2020. And now it's 2025. But I have all the dates and everything in my review below.